Sanibona bafowethu, as you know ukuthi zakhala bafethu nge-weekend. Wanna make a pre-insight of le game esizoba nayo. Mina I'm expecting a very boring game. Very igame ephansi kakhulu ngokomdlalo. A game that as a fan ngiyasho ukuthi yes sobuka ne results, but mangibheke reality we might get a lose or a draw against the Kaizer Chiefs ngenxa ye-arrogance ye-coach wethu. Ngine-fear ukuthi Chiefs izosinqoba e-center. They have a very strong midfield njengamanje. They have Emaboyi, they have Ndlovu, and they have Mdu. Or they might put Unqobo, or like they might play holding like three. You might see Unqobo as a holding, or you might see, because they might put Umdu as a right wing ukuze bamconvert the number center. You might see Umfundo Uvilakazi as a number 10, or you might see him as a winger. That's my fear, like corner. If we can have immediately fit that, I think my friends are manning knows we need a mole, we need a bata until getting cyclum. But one thing I should once why soccer player was Saba it ground packed for me we are question because as umdlalo bowler you are a performer. So mangabona ama fans egcwele you need to be happy because you cannot dance and abantu bazojabula. So into yokuqala leyo. Another thing again ngisasho we cannot play ama game kanje nabadlali uma sekwenziwa ama interviews uma sekuphela season athi hey kwagcwele ngangisaba. You can't have ama players kanjalo. So for me ukuyenza ivideo beshort si approach game go China, si approach game nge normal back 4 uSiyema uSibisi. I put Undaba not Hoto. On the right I put Van Rijn ebenchini ngibeka uLebito. And then coming in Central ngiyafaka uCash, ngiyafaka uMbatha, ngifaka uRele as a number 10. And then on the left uMoremi, on the right Apolis as an invert. Striker kubuya ngathi sinayo option ukudlala uMbuthuma. One thing engayisho kuMbuthuma if le video ezoyizwa is the fact ukuthi you are missing amagoli amaningi gaming kusho ukuthi ugood kwi-positioning yakho. Kusho ukuthi uyakwazi ukugrade igame. Qhubeka lapho boy and sure ukuthi finishing uyayenza because as a striker we judge you nge-finishing. If finishing you can always have abantu aba-private abangakufunisa uqeda igoli. So kubuya ngathi yini option esinayo because I won't put uDijonga kule game as a center forward. One uDijonga akangeni ku-team, akablend ku-team, and engablend ku-team ukumfaka on the depend. I don't think ukuthi siyamdinga because the Chiefs I'm expecting ukuthi they will have a back 5. They will have uMakati as a back 3. And then bese on the left baphume ngoMako, on the right baphume ngoMonyane, of which mangabe besinikeza uMako, where I'm going to be very happy. Le game nekusasa is going to show ama fans ukuthi why Pirates yayidedela uMako ededela uMonyane. Le game izoba exposed because we're going to expose them kuma wing backs. So i-Chiefs they got no chance ukuthi bazama ukuwin game ngama wing backs because bayasaba. They're going to stay emuva. Bazokwenza show ukuthi baba solid emuva ukuze baphume ngama-wing back. So if bezophuma ngoMonyane noMako, very good for us. We need Mfokeng, Apolisi, Moremi abazocheater. They must check back beme center so that sikwazi ukuphuma. We can't have uApolisi oyomaka oyomakela Van Rijn. The reason why ngishiya ule uSibelebele is not ready bafowethu. Tactically is not ready. Yes, physically he is ready, but physical no. We need a proper back 4. If back 4 is ukuthi uma ngabe sihlala ibhola babe half yethu siphuma ngepatient. Uma ngabe uVan Rijn ehamba on the right we need Mbatha, Ndaba, Emile ucreate a back 3 in this defense. For us now if pressure etheni ngale game, we don't need to win the game quick as we can. We don't need to win the game ngama scores amaningi. So I feel like coach need to play game. Get up badlali game sengafuni ukuqeda i-Chiefs early because the Chiefs kuma-derby normally they score first and once bakora kuqala so problem and enye isathu esizobenza ukuthi bakora kuqala ukuthi nasifuna ukora kuqala as-dominate game sibe nama-midfielders who can pass forward and then second half for sure we might need Mbule. We might sacrifice Umureme ngenxa yeform akuyona njengamanje and then sifike Urele on the left sifake Mbule as a number 10 and then I think the game is a winner but we might see Sibelebele because lo muntu arrogant he might start uChabatane he might of which I don't have a problem guy we might start uNemtanjela would be there we might have uMasindi ebenchini might have so first sibona khona after game danko